Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone's surviving well. Recently, a flashlight company called SMINGXI reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to take a look at one of their flashlights, and I agreed to it. And I have played around with it a little bit. I've charged it, and just the tactile feel of it, it's a nice little flashlight. So, it is the T5, has a max runtime of 168 hours. Max lumen output of 1400 lumens, USB Type-C charging. It is compatible with a AA battery, but does come in with a lithium-ion battery. Magnetic tail cap, which we should test. You never know. Yep, it's just fine. You do see the magnetic part right there. 1.5 meter impact and IP66 waterproof rating. And if you notice, it does have a 90-degree swivel and head mounted. So we do have the operations as well as the outputs on the back. We will go over that momentarily. Well, I picked this because I don't have really any right angle flashlights. That's pretty cool. Not only is it a right angle one that you can put on a head mount, you can also use the pocket clip here. It's a two-sided pocket clip. I kind of feel like it needs to be reversed in the way that it goes, because you have a hat here. That's the best way for the hat, but now it's facing. Don't judge my hat. So now it's facing towards you. If you do it this way, and it's kind of stretching out. So my only complaint about the flashlight is that pocket clip, but that's kind of moot because you do get the strap there, and I'm not going to mount it because I want to test it just as it is, but so you can make it a headlamp. I do really appreciate flashlights that have multiple purposes like this. That's pretty cool. So we have that, and it comes with a red diffuser. USB-A to USB Type-C charging. And like I said, that is a 90-degree swivel head. We got the USB Type-C charging port right there. The very nice button, very tactile. It has a charge indicator or charging indicator as well. And they do point out that those two lines need to line up for it to work. So it does come with a chip, a plastic chip in here that you do need to remove for the light to work as intended. But we do have a 14500 1000 milliamp 3.7 volt battery in here. Nothing of excitement to see inside there. I'm going to line up those two lines, and they are lined up. Press and hold. I believe this is the moonlight, which is 3 lumens, which will give you 168 hour runtime, 8 meter throw. Press and hold again. This is low, 30 lumens, 18 hour runtime, 25 meter throw. This is medium, 120 lumens, 6 hour runtime, 50 meter throw. 420 lumens on high, 5 hour runtime, 98 meter throw. And we do a double tap, and that's going to be turbo, 1400 lumens. Wow, that's bright. That is sure seems like 1400 lumens. So I'll give you a 4 hour runtime with 168 meter throw. And that is bright. Now, nowhere could I find that it steps down after a certain amount of time. One thing about brands like this is very hard to find information about them. I found this on Amazon, and it did give me all the information I needed, but sometimes those Amazon listings aren't exactly 100% correct. So we're going to do a triple tap, and it's going to give us a strobe. 1, 2, 3. And that's a full 1400 lumens. And we're going to turn it down. And it is a little warm, but it does work. It does have a lockout mode. And even the box doesn't say anything about stepping down. So it is measuring out at 4.25 inches long and 0.74 inches in diameter. 2.12 ounces with the battery. And again, you can find this on Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description for you to take a look at it. It will be an affiliate link. But yeah, very cool little flashlight. $27.99 on Amazon currently. I love the fact that it has multiple functions. You can turn it into a right angle. You can turn it into a headlamp. That is pretty cool. So I want to thank SMINGXI for sending this flashlight out. Make sure you stick around to the very end of the video. There will be some very non-professional, non-scientific beam shots. I will set up a tripod, walk out 20 paces, shine this around, and walk back, and just so you get an idea of what this is capable of. So, as always, I want to thank you for stopping in, checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you want to support this channel at all, you can hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. And I hope you're having an amazing day. I'll see you next time, and stick around for those beam shots.